Hi, I'm Mike Faubert with Scorpio. Today we're going to show you how to attach the propane burner to your Scorpio Pizza Oven. To attach your propane burner to the back of the Scorpio Pizza Oven, you simply line up the propane burner with the hole in the back of the oven, and then you want to make sure that you latch all three latches securely on the propane burner to the back of the oven. There are two very important things you need to remember before you turn on your propane burner. The most important thing is that you have to have the door of the oven open. You don't want any propane pooling inside the oven. So make sure that your door is open before igniting the propane burner. The second thing that you want to make sure that you do is that the rotation system is spinning. So again, battery bank not included, but to make sure you have this thing, the rotation system plugged into a battery bank, and make sure that the rotation system is spinning. Once you've confirmed that the rotation system is spinning, you're now in a good position to light your propane burner. After you've connected your propane tank to your propane line, and again, the door of the oven is open, the rotation system is spinning, and you've installed the battery inside the igniter, very important tip as well, you're going to turn your knob to high and then press the ignite button. You'll want to keep the knob on high for at least 10 seconds to make sure the flame is going, and before you close your oven door. Now that the oven is on, you're going to close the front door and let your pizza oven warm up. It takes a good 20 minutes to get the pizza oven to the 850-degree temperature that we recommend using for Neapolitan style pizza. And the best way to test your oven to make sure that it's ready is by using a scan gun, not included in the Scorpio, but you can find it anywhere, and simply check the temperature of the stone by scanning the scan gun onto the pizza stone. Thanks for watching our video on how to attach the propane burner. Our next video is how to attach the wood burner to the Scorpio Pizza Oven. Both the wood burner and the propane burner come with your Scorpio Pizza Oven when you purchase it on our website, scorpiopizzaoven.com. See you next time.